Using coupons on the Shein app is a straightforward process. So today we are here with a quick guide on how to apply Shein coupon codes in 2024. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Shein app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your Shein account. Once then, browse through the app, and once you have found the item you want, tap on them to view the details and select the size and color, then tap Add to Cart to add them to your shopping cart. Or else simply go to the cart icon at the bottom of the screen to open your shopping bag. Now review your items and make any necessary adjustments, then tap on the checkout option available there in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the checkout, simply scroll down till you see Apply Coupon option available there. Then simply tap on the Apply Coupon, and if you have a Shein coupon code, simply enter your coupon code by typing in the box inside this Apply Coupon option available there. After applying this coupon, check the final price and simply tap checkout when you are ready to complete your purchase. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.